The last 3 nurse practitioners that I put in business, I would say none of them killed it in the first year. I think the first year they all stumbled through it. They made, who knows, 30, 40, 50 grand, whatever they made. And they kept their other practice. The end of the second year, they were making as much as they made as an NP. And then all of a sudden, third year, fourth year, fifth year, then they're kicking ass and rocking and rolling. But the ones that did it the fastest, my friend Chris in Nevada, for example, we set up like almost like an anti-aging business where it's the aesthetics, it's the hairdresser, it's the nail tech, it's a permanent makeup girl, blah, 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 massage therapy, like 6 or 7 different things. And we did that because she was freaked out about paying $3,500 a month rent because it's a brand new startup and she's got, bills to pay and kids to feed. And she wanted to go find a place that was like $900 a month, right? That she could afford. And I said, well, what if I can get you to $3,500 a month for free? She goes, keep talking. And so basically, we found people to pay X rent for each room. That was lower than market. The market to rent a room was $800. We gave it to them for $600. So all of a sudden, all the people that were renting from her paid her rent. And those people drove traffic to her. She didn't take a cut of their business. They just drove traffic.